Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
And this video we're gonna learn a new art that is called the paper art. So what we exactly gonna do is here is very much fun, and for that we're gonna use these newspapers, right? So our background will be these newspapers, and on that we're gonna make some a design or the forms which will be very interesting. It is surprise, so wait and watch. So here are few tips before doing this artwork. You have to take some newspapers, but before choosing that newspaper you have to be very careful that there shouldn't be a much colorful photograph should be there, one part, and second, there shouldn't be a black big bold text. So we have to avoid those two things. One is the black bold text and the colorful photographs. So some of the examples are here, you can see here. So it has that lot of more about the small text. There is no much colors. So this way these are the newspaper I'm going to use to make our artwork. So let's do it. So here we're going to start with this paper, and on this I'm going to make one of the landscape, which is the sunset I'm going to show here in this video. So to do that I'm just going to make one small hill here and a big tree which has a lot of branches in this, and in this corner I'm going to make one sun which is going down. So to do that, here I'm taking advantage as a background as a newspaper print, and I'm going to make the artwork with the brush using a black color. So let's start doing this. So here I'm going to make a mountain. So I made this mountain line here. Either you can fill the entire color or you can leave like this also, whichever you feel good. And so I'm done with the hill, and next I'm gonna make is a tree. That is also a big huge tree. So for the big huge tree I have to show the big huge trunk, which is something like this, and from it is some of the branches going. Something like this, and this is going some up this way. So to give the nice feel I'm just gonna make this is a more silhouette look. So you have to press a little brush here and then leave it a little stroke further. This way I'm just gonna make more branches toward the upper side. So this way I'm more or less done with this. I can add more branches here. So this tree didn't have the leaves. Only dry branches is here. Plus the interesting thing is that one swing is hanging here. That I'm just showing. This is a rope is coming down, which is tied here, and this is the one wood log is here. On that you can sit and take a long swing. Here I can add showed some grasses. This way, some of the grasses on this side also. Some are the birds. It's evening time, so it's like group of birds are going home. And more interesting part is that adding a color into that, and that I'm gonna make an orange color to show a sun is going down. For that I'm gonna make one sun here with this circle. See, isn't it interesting? With the minimum efforts you can make a nice painting out of this using a newspaper as a background. Even if you can frame it, it will look like something this, and you can display on your walls.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!